Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the second half of January 2024. The 18th of January 2024. NetSet Coaching for Mathematics. The Ramanujan Club of the Department of Mathematics SF organized a NetSet coaching program for the students. The resource person, an eminent alumna of the department, Ms. Subisesha, who works as an analyst of IPOS Private Limited, inspired and motivated the students on different strategies that she adopted in qualifying NET with JRF in mathematics. The 19th of January 2024, Nature Walk in Kalikesam. The PG and Research Department of Botany and the PG and Research Department of Economics, in collaboration with the District Forest Office Nagercoil, organized a nature walk in Kalikesam. Environmentalist Mr. Vinod and his team members guided the staff and students in identifying the birds by their chirping and introduced and exposed the visitors to the flora and fauna endemic to the forest area. On the same day, the students of the Department of English organized an awareness rally from the college to the neighborhood of Melasurangudi and Kursidi hamlets, distributed saplings and spread awareness among the residents on the need for conscious efforts to protect the environment. The 28th of January 2024 to the 31st of January 2024. Campus Recruitment Drive. In a series of on-campus recruitment drive conducted between the 20th of January to the 31st of January 2024, 13 of our students got placed in the Don Bosco Group of Schools, Punalvasil, 14 in BDM Technology, Nagercoil, 19 in Michael's Academy of Communicative English, Ooty, 4 in SRV Group of Institutions, Trichy and Rasipuram, and 15 secured positions in Quintessence Business Solutions and Services. All arrangements were coordinated by the Placement and Career Guidance Cell of the college. The 20th of January 2024, Ganitlosav. The students of the Department of Mathematics emerged victorious at the Ganitlosav, the intercollegiate competition held in celebration of National Mathematics Day, organized by Sri Ayyappa College for Women in Chungangadai, Nagercoil. The event witnessed our talented mathematicians win several prizes, ultimately securing the coveted overall trophy. The 22nd of January 2024 to the 29th of January 2024, Student Forum. The Student Forum, a bridge between the management and the students, was convened for the academic year 23-24. In her separate interaction with the students of the Science, Arts and Commerce streams, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, voiced the expectations of the management, outlined measures taken to improve students' pleasant stay on campus, and discussed on the ways to enhance the overall college experience. In her report, Dr. Satya, the Vice Principal of the college, highlighted the proactive measures taken by the management to redress the concerns of the students. On their part, the students expressed their thoughts, appreciations, grievances, and their present concerns. The 23rd of January 2024 Exposure Visit. In a remarkable initiative under Tamil Nadu's Naan Mudalvan scheme, 70 eager students from government schools in Kadiyapattanam and Amandivulai, accompanied by 5 dedicated teachers, embarked on an exposure visit to our institution. In her address, Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, highlighted the uniqueness of the college and outlined the avenues available for those interested in pursuing higher education. The college librarian and nodal officers of clubs and committees introduced the students to opportunities available to nurture curricular and extracurricular skill sets. At the close of the exposure visit, the school students also visited the departments and research labs and received a first-hand experience of the state-of-the-art infrastructure. On the same day, Sister Cecil's Endowment Intercollegiate Quiz Competition, sponsored by the alumni of the 1982-85 batch of the Department of Chemistry, was conducted at St. Joseph's Hall. In a fiercely contested competition, Mrs. G. Anandavalliammal, former Associate Professor of Chemistry of Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, played the role of quiz mistress, challenging the participants and keeping the audience engaged. Students from the Department of Chemistry from 16 colleges participated, and each winning team received prizes at the end of the competition. The 24th of January 2024, National Voters' Day Pledge. On the occasion of the National Voters' Day, the students of the college took a pledge to enthusiastically participate in the electoral process of democratic India. On the same day, the Chubbs Club of the Department of Zoology celebrated National Girl Child Day. In her talk, Dr. Mary Matilda Bai, Associate Professor of Zoology, encouraged the students to take pride in being girls and embrace one's identity. The message of the day also found resonance in the song and short film made by the students. On the same day, the students virtually watched the grand opening of the Jallikattu Stadium at Madurai. The 25th of January 2024, National Voters' Day Competitions. The Department of History and the Electoral Literacy Club released a documentary film on the theme My Vote, My Identity. A variety of competitions, including an intercollegiate quiz competition, were also organized to spread awareness about the importance of voting among the students. On the same day, in a state-level National Voters' Day function organized at Kalaivanar Arangam, Chennai, Dr. V. Shali, Assistant Professor of Physics and the Nodal Officer of our college, was felicitated by Mr. Ravi, the Governor of Tamil Nadu, with an award of appreciation for her contribution towards enrolling new eligible voters and active participation in the electoral process. The 26th of January 2024, Republic Day Celebration. The 75th Republic Day of our country was celebrated on the college premises on January 26, 2024. Adding a unique touch to this year's celebration, Mr. Kaliyam Pillai, a special grade sweeper of our college, unfurled the national flag. The chief guest, Dr. S. Lenin, Assistant Professor and NSS Program Officer of MS University Tirunelveli, highlighted the significance of the day and urged all duty-bound citizens of the country to do their best and be proud of being Indian. The celebrations came to a close with stirring speeches and cultural performances bringing out the diverse talents, patriotism and unity of the college community. The 30th of January 2024, Workshop on Effective Public Speaking. The Department of Commerce and the Junior Chamber International JCI Nagercoil jointly organized a one-day workshop on effective public speaking. The President of JCI India, Mr. J.F.D. Stalin, inaugurated the workshop, and the JCI Organizing Secretaries, Mr. C. Dixon Felix and Mr. J.C. Isaac, offered the felicitations. Ms. J.C. Sunita Augustus and Ms. J.C. Bibi Christian trained the participants in public speaking, and 5 exceptional performers were honored with shields. The 31st January 2024, Crossnomics. The annual state-level intercollegiate quiz competition, Crossnomics, was organized by the PG and Research Department of Economics. Dr. Vinita Charles, Assistant Professor of Economics, was a quiz mistress, and 7 colleges participated in the quizzing battle. Dr. Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, released the newsletter Econ News and distributed the prizes to the winning teams. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.